New Durham Junction. Wow, January, we're nearly into February. Where's this time gone? Been doing some more scenic work to New Durham Junction. It is a little bit of an update. It's only going to be a quick 10-minute video, so might go over a little bit, see how we go on. I'm getting another new loco, Class 66 DB Schenker, which is the London train one, which is, I don't know, can't remember what it's for, but came from Rainbow Railways. I've done scenic work up on the terminus station, which I will show you. Looks absolutely brilliant. I think it is. Please leave your reviews. Please leave your comments. Please feel free. Come and see how you feel about it. The rest of the layout, it's bits and bobs and with working and stuff. So we'll see how it goes. So without further ado, I'll just get rid of a bit of paper there so you can. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you what's been going on. Bear with me. Right, so first of all, that is the Class 66 which I was on about. It is a Bachmann loco. It is sound fitted as well. I think it's one smart Class 66, that one. We've got the Class 60, which is on the fueling point. Behind that, we've got another 66. We've got the test train just behind that one. On the sheds, we've got the two 37s. On the sidings there, we've got another two 66s. And a little way down there. So scenery wise, I have been concentrating on that area up there. So if you bear with me, I'll be back in a second. Right, been concentrating on the upper terminus up here. We've got amazing sidings down there, and this is a section I've been working on. I have been using WWS product, static grass on there, that's the correct word, sorry. Please feel free to leave it in the comments what you think of it. Mobile phone mast there. I'll move the camera down to this level down here for you. Got Class 60 load haul 007. Got a test train there. The MPV weed killer. Junction box. Santa Claus is asleep. Got some more trees to put extra scatter on. So to go in this section up here. But myself, I think that looks absolutely spot on there. Track rubber. Level crossing there. And there we have the main station for New Durham Junction. Class 156 REF. 66, 789 sitting there. If they excuse the mess under the baseboards there, but as you can see, it's coming absolutely brilliant on the layout. We've got the snow scene over there. I want to take you over there now actually. I can't remember if I did an update on this one, but this is the winter scene at New Durham Junction using WWS static snow. I've just placed that digger up there for now so it's out of the way. So obviously you're coming out of one season. That's the incline which I've been doing as well. Looks absolutely brilliant, that incline, I think. I don't know what's your thoughts on that, guys. Got another 156 unit there. This will be the next part which I'm going to be doing is up here. It is a bit of a bomb site, so you'll have to excuse that. I've got hiccups now. That's my DCC controller which I do use, which is the NCE power cab. Brilliant unit. I've been tinkering over this section here. Just move that there. There's Bob asleep on the job. I'll put him back up. And we're going back onto the main section there, which goes, that'll be leading up the roadway up to that section up there. So that'll do for the update, guys. Please feel free to leave your comments and let us know what you think. Hang on, I'll be back on face camera. Right, I'm back. Brilliant. So that's just a little quick update at New Durham Junction, how things is progressing. Working on the upper terminal station, doing scenic work. My snow winter section over there. I'm just continuing. I'm here, there and everywhere on the layout. So thanks very much for watching. Take care all, happy modelling and be safe.